go bontsha bana ditshwantsho tsa pornography ke tlolomolao e kgolo mme seo se tlhagisiwa thata mo maphateng a social media.
What the Cybercrimes Act already has done is to repeal the offences relating to child sexual abuse material out of the Formal Publications Act, and that's already then reintroduced into the Sexual Offences Act, so there's a dedicated chapter in the Sexual Offences Act. The idea is to streamline all matters with the aim of protecting children from being exposed to pornography or being used to create child sexual abuse material.
Commission e supile gape gore mokgwa wa ukuthwala o dirisiwa ka tsela e gatakang ditshwanelo tsa bana tsa botho.
What the Commission seeks to do is to recognize that there are forms of ukutwala that have existed and that people regard as an inherent part of their culture and that are benign, that don't cause harm. On the other hand, to recognize that the distorted forms of some of those practices impact quite negatively on children, and the law should, through the criminal justice system, but also through education, be able to respond effectively to that.
As government, we will go through the reports and process them through in our systems for necessary legislative changes and also to take them further for public engagement.
La mala a re dintlha tseo di tle go fetisetswa kwa kabineteng pele melawana e ka ga diphetogo tseo e ka atlanegisiwa. Molemo wa Mothasebi News, Pretoria.